Hi guys, welcome to How to Library. Today I'm going to show you how to see your level on Bigo Live. So right now I'm on the home screen, as you can see. Now at the bottom you have 5 icons that mean 5 different things. The first one is home. That's where I am on the home screen of Bigo Live. The one next to it is explore, and that is primarily for you to look for new creators, etc, etc. The one at the middle, that is for you going live yourself. The one next to it is community. That is for the community of Bigo Live. And the one in the bottom right corner is me. And that is actually your profile. So we're going to click on it. And this takes you to your profile. And as you can see next to my name, it says How to Library and level 1. You can see your level like that, or as you can see, there are a lot of options here. You have messages, wallet, item bag, my post, task center, activities, and level. Right under activities, there's level, so we're gonna click on it. And this shows you how much percent you need more to be level 2 or whatever you're going to, and how to upgrade, and that's it. Thank you for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye guys!